Alright. You might find this a little bit creepy. Because I'm just taking this in the bathroom. But a long time ago I froze my fish when I was little because I was scared of it dying. I don't know why. It's creepy. So this is one of my fish, and I'm going to defrost it. Hold on, set down the camera. I pull down my sleeves. Alright. And now going to defrost it with cold water so that way if it's the wrong fish, it'll be fine. Gross. I'm defrosting my fish. I don't want any of this disgusting water on my hand. Holy crap, I think this is hungry. I have no idea. I've had 3 fish, so I have no clue. Oh my gosh. So gross. Oh gosh. Ooh, tail is exposed. This is disgusting. Oh, he came out. Alright. Hold on, let me just turn off this water. You guys might not be able to see it, but it is down there. I'm not going to pull it out because that would require me completely defrosting it. If that happens, all that would make is a mess. Yeah, defrosting my fish.